What's up folks, welcome back to the garage. It's a winter time here in Finland and now I will put my gloves, driving gloves and helmet on and we will test how this Volvo survives in the snow. I have my winter tires on. These are quite poor ones, but there's small, these are not spikes, studs. Yes, I think these are studs. I choose the better ones in the back I hope that I will get a little bit better grip with that. And I'm still missing the windscreen. I have some issues to fit the windscreen on. I have the gasket here, but it doesn't fit. So I need a professional's help. I have also spike tires. They are actually in Saab's wheels. There I have at least two or three, or we have with Heka, we have 2 or 3 sets of old spike tires. So I think that if I would have wheels, I could fit one of those sets on Volvo's wheels to get a little bit better grip here in this kind of conditions. But next I will drive this out and we will have some fun. Oh yes, now we are ready for the first lights. My plan is the first pull is I'm not using full throttle. I'm just warming up and make sure that it's in good condition, the road. And 2 other pulls I think I will try to do as nice slide as possible, but this kind of plan in the beginning of this video. Please hit the like button, that would be great, thank you very much. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, now it's a perfect time to do that. And also ring the bell, thank you very much. Oh, it's a little bit chilly out here because I don't have the windscreen. Well, I have some issues with the windscreen, but I hope that I can fix that in this winter. As you might saw in my third pull, I had a small problem with the third gear. I accidentally changed from second to first, and first I thought that it's just spinning the tires, but then I noticed that okay, that's a first gear. But next we will do a test. We have done a circle here around the garbage bin, and my plan is that it is part of the my yard special stage, and next I will test on clockwise how it works, and after that I will test how it works anti-clockwise, and after that we will keep testing. car works much better clockwise, what was my plan, so no problem at all. My plan is that this is the chicane when I'm driving downhill from the HQ to here, and then I can drive around the garbage bin and continue back where I came. So this will be like a chicane in this special stage. Next I will do 3 pulls. Each time I try to increase the speed a little bit, so it will be interesting if we are ending into that ditch there. I almost drove off the road back there. I was on 3rd gear and I went wide, and some snow was flying. There's the bank is not so high that it doesn't keep me on the road, but luckily I didn't. I keep the full throttle, so I managed to get back on the road. I hope the car is still okay. It's vibrating a little bit, but I hope it's okay. This corner works quite okay, but I just have to learn a little bit better driving lines, because the ditch down there is quite near. I have pushed some snow into that ditch, but we need some more snow because I need a wider area there to speed up a little bit better. But I think that we will have a great fun this winter in this new special stage. Safely back in the garage, and I didn't notice any issues or damage, which is very nice. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. That will help me a lot. Thank you very much. And comments down below, that would be great. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, now it's a perfect time to do that. And also remember to press the bell. Thanks for watching and see you soon.